This will be the elevator here at the Low Quality Inn and Suites here in Hammond, Indiana. Guess what? We got Otis Series 1. Kind of wonderful. Down to 1. This is literally right next to a strip club. Look at Google Maps if you can. Certificate there. This is a lovely phone box too, by the way. Nice cab. Otis. Sounds wonderful. Let's get a look at the cab here. Actually, it's pretty nice. Please. Otis Series 1. Echo fornicator. Capacity 2,500. Wait, let's go upstairs and watch the fornicator here. Oh yeah, there's a Christmas tree. Look at that, there's a fornicator right there.
I think it's working.
Hang on a sec, Rod.
Sorry.
Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.
How you doing?